Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy DIY Fulani braids, but with the crochet method. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and also click on the bell notification so you're always reminded anytime I have a banging new video. Okay, so first I start with stretched out hair. I twisted my hair overnight so that it is stretched out and easier to manipulate. Okay, and then I start to make a pattern from ear to ear, from one side of my ear to another side of my ear, so I have one step up and another step down. Once this is done, I then go ahead to pack the lower part of my head. We are not using that for now. We're just going to concentrate on the front part for now. Now you start to braid your hair to the back. You can do whatever style you want. You can just make it straight all the way to the back, or you can, curve your lines or whatever. Just do whatever style you want to do. I'm adding got-to-be glue just to make the lines a little cleaner, but we are not going for perfection, to be honest. We just want nice hair that we can use for the week, for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks, depending on how long you want to carry your braids, your Fulani braids. And once I get to the end, I don't plait it to the end. I just leave it because we're going to do all that again later. So you can see the ends of my hair. I really did not plait it all the way to the end. Now I'm just continuing by braiding to the back, braiding to the back, braiding to the back. Now I'm starting on the other side. Just so we can now meet in the middle, and then I will decide what it is I want to do in the middle. But yes, I'm starting on the other side, doing the same thing that I did on one side on the other side. Literally nothing changed until we got to the middle, where I start to do some zigzag design, and you're going to see it in a moment. Okay, so this is where I'm doing the zigzag design just all the way till I finish the remaining part of my first step. Okay, just watch. I basically just repeat this step till I get to the last plait, and then this is what we have. You can see the zigzag design in the middle. Don't worry, I'm not picking my front hair, I'm not picking my edges, because we don't want to be picking our edges or what's left of my edges. And then once I get to the end of my first step, I'm jubilating, of course. I just start to plait all of them together so they've close up, so they form one nice part, one nice plate in the middle, just like so. And this is what it's looking like at the end of that close up, basically. So yeah, this is what my first step is looking like. And then moving on to the back, we're just going to cornrow our hair to the back. Just cornrow it to the back. The lines don't have to be straight. It doesn't have to, it can look haggard. Hair is going to cover it, okay? So just plait your hair to the back however you can do it. If you can do the 3 plaits like this, if it's the twist down, that you can do, that's also nice. The basic thing is just to have your hair plaited to the back. And then I am interweaving the ends of the ends to each other. So once I get to the end of the next, cornrow, I take the end of the first cornrow into that other one, just as you saw in this video, so that we have just one end of the hair at the back. I hope you get what I mean. So yes, we just have one end of the hair at the back, and I'm going to just tuck it into the other side of the hair basically. And this is what we have. Very cute, very nice, very simple. This is the hair we are using. It comes pre-twisted, it's crocheted, and is also beaded. So I'm just going to be using this on my hair, and I'll show you how to crochet in a moment. So first of all, you want to take your pin and then open it up. Once you open it up, if you close it up, you won't be able to use it. Open it up, slide it through your hair, use the end of the crochet to basically hook it and then pass it through the hair. And then once you are done, take the hair through the other end of the crochet and tighten it. This is how I'm going to repeat this step all over my head. I hope you get it. Open up your pin, pass it through your hair, pass it through the crochet, pass the crochet through your hair with the pin, and then tighten it up, and you are good to go. It's quite easy. So now I am moving to the front part of the hair, and I'm making sure that the crochet covers the one cornrow that we did across from ear to ear, so that people don't see that one cornrow. So make sure that your hair, whatever it is you are using, you can be using the twisted one, you can be using the one that is not like attachments that is not twisted. Just make sure it covers the cornrow that you've done from ear to ear, so everything looks neat in front. You want to make sure that your front is neat. The back will automatically be neat because hair is falling on top of each other, but the front you want to be extra careful about. Yes, we're about to finish. I'm just going to use the remaining parts of my braids on like sparse areas of the back of my hair. I prioritize the front, but now that I'm done with the front, I'm just going to use the remaining crochet in sparse areas of my hair at the back because I was prioritizing the front. And this is what it is looking like. It's already looking so cute. So next thing is I'm going to decorate the hair. I'm using these pins. They're like baby pins, to be honest. But you know what's Fulani hairstyle without all this ceremony on top of your head? You need it. So that's what I'm going to be using to just decorate my hair. These things just make your hair look more beautiful. And then I'm going to be using hair mousse just to slick down every hair that is coming out, like hair that I didn't catch while I was braiding. This just helps to smoothen it out and lay it flat on the head. And we are done. See, the gold thing on my hair is actually from the packaging of the attachment of the crochet. I hope you remember. But then I decided to use it in my hair. It's so cute. I also have cowrie in my hair. Just have different decorations. You can use anything, to be honest. Just make sure you have different pieces of decoration on your hair. Some people use thread, like colored threads. And this is what my hair is looking like. It's looking so cute. This will be my protective style for the next 2 weeks or more, depending. But it looks so beautiful. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell notification. If you want me to be doing more things like this, let me know. I am more known for my travel videos, but I just wanted to add this small lifestyle content, and I love it so much. All right, guys, till next time. Bye.